Hello everyone and welcome to 2021. So anyway, thank you so much if you donated to my Clean Water Fundraiser because in total we raised about $500. I am so happy right now. And thank you just so much if you donated it. It means a lot to me and the people who got to use it for their clean water and sanitation. So anyway, I got a letter today from water.org. So I'm going to read it to all of you so that you can see how much they appreciate it. So I'll start. Greetings, our team, partners, and the people we serve all see how important access to safe water and sanitation is to health and hygiene during this COVID-19 pandemic. We continue to change lives of people in need, like this person's family. I just don't want to say names because, things. Like many others in her country, her family, she took a small loan for a private toilet to keep her family safe and healthy. She is one of the 1.2 million people who got access to safe water or sanitation at home in 2020 because of your support. And it's not just because of me, it's because a ton of other people. This matters so much to me, the people from water.org, all the people who needed the money. So thank you so much for donating. I might do another fundraiser soon. So keep donating, keep being kind. Please like and subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye.